Okay, we are in part 3 of 2D arrays. When we left off, we were referring how to refer to each item in this two-dimensional array. So item 0, 0, item 0, 1, item 0, 2, item 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, item 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, item 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. So what if we want to refer to all of them? For that, we actually need two for loops, nested for loops, one inside the other. So the first one should be the length of the number of sets. So I've got 4 sets here. So if I equals 0, I is less than 4, the number of sets in all, I plus plus. Now for my next for loop, right inside, I can't use I as a variable. I already used it. I'll get a duplicate field component. So convention says we use j, so I'll use j. If j is 0, j is less than, and that's the number of items in each set. So if j is less than 3, j plus plus. And then I can refer to the items by using I and j. So if I have dogs I, dogs j, to space them out, I can actually use I and j, which is often the case because otherwise if I do this, all those items are going to be on top of one another. Don't forget to close 1, 2 brackets. Get a whole bunch of words on top of one another. So I could say something like I times 100, and then just so it doesn't start right on the edge of, well, fine, this is fine for now. J times 100. So we're getting them, oh, it's Louis is really over here, their names are over here, so I'm going to actually add on plus 100, plus 100. Okay. This doesn't give us the same setup as our original spreadsheet. It's got the names along the top and then the items. And that's because, as I said, it's going to tick through. So this is the way it'll tick through with the nested for loops. It's going to say I is 0. Then it goes down to here. And it'll do the inside loop every item in it. So it'll be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Then, or 0, 2. Then j will no longer be less than 3, so then I'll go the outside. So it will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then it will go, or again, not up to 3, before 3, stops at 3. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. I keep on forgetting 1. Then it will go back to the outside loop and say 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, back to the outside loop, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. So it's placing them horizontally and then vertically, so that actually stands to reason that they would go that way. There are 2 ways you could fix this. You could either change which of the counter variables you're using to place horizontal and vertical. Then you get our spreadsheet formula.